Hello everyone, my name is Miss Olson. I am one of the educational technology trainers at the Glenbrook High Schools. This tutorial is a basic tutorial of VoiceThread, including how to create a VoiceThread presentation, how to comment on a presentation, and then how to share a presentation with your teacher. So the first thing about VoiceThread is how to access it. If you log into Google Apps using your Glenbrook account, you can go into any of the apps. So right now I'm in Google Calendar, but you can be in Gmail or any other Google app. And if you click on the waffle icon or the apps icon in the top right corner and then click more, one of the options you're going to see is VoiceThread, and you can go ahead and you can click on VoiceThread. If for whatever reason that option is not showing up, you can also go to this URL right here, which is glenbrookhs.ed.voicethread.com, and that will also take you to VoiceThread. You want to make sure that you're logged in with your Glenbrook account, and you can do that and you can verify that by making sure that it says glenbrookhs.ed at the very top. Once you're in VoiceThread, you'll see that you get a dashboard with all of your different presentations. If you're new to VoiceThread, you won't have any presentations, but you can go ahead and you can create one. So to create a presentation, at the very top you'll see 3 buttons up here, one of which is Create. I'm going to go ahead and click on Create, and it's going to walk me through the steps. The first step is to add media. So I can click on the button here. And there are multiple ways I can add media. The first is My Computer. So if you have any pictures that are saved to your device, you can click on My Computer. On the Chromebook, you can either save to Google Drive or there is a Downloads folder. So that's one option. You can see if I click here, you just navigate to wherever the location is on your Chromebook. A second option is to media sources. So VoiceThread already has some different sources built in for finding images, and one of my favorites is Flickr. So if you click on Flickr, Flickr is really good because it has high quality images. I can search for anything that I'm looking for. So in this case, let's say I'm looking for Spain. You'll see here that some images will start to come up. And if I find an image that I like, I can simply go ahead and click on that image, and I can click Import Selected. Now, if there's multiple images on this page that I want to use, I can select as many images as I want and still click that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Import Selected. And it's going to ask me to first title my VoiceThread. So you're going to give it a title, and your teacher may have a specific way they may want you to title your VoiceThread. For this example, I'm just going to use Demo. If you want to enter a description of what your VoiceThread is about, you can do that there as well. Okay. So once again, I'm going to select the image that I want to import and then click Import Selected. And it's going to say Media Imported. Once I'm done, I can click on the X icon. Okay, and you can see I actually got 2 of the same image. So if I want to, I can easily go ahead and I can delete one of those particular images. Okay. If I want to add more media, I can click on the button at the top there. Another great option for you is URL. So if you do any searches on Google, like Google image search to find an image, you can see here I've already searched for Spain. Let's say you find an image that you like, you can go ahead and click on it to open it. And the trick is getting the right URL for the image. So if I click on View Image, you'll notice at the top the URL is right here, and it ends in a file format that's a picture file. So in this case, it's a .gif. It may also end in .jpg or .tif. So you want to make sure that that ending is a picture file extension. Otherwise, it won't pull into VoiceThread. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this particular URL, and I'm going to head back to VoiceThread here. And you can see it says enter the URL. So I'm just going to paste that in, and then I'm going to click Save. And now it's going to pull that image in. I can move my images around simply by dragging and dropping from one location to the other. So this is a great way to organize the order of your presentation. Once you have the order done, you're ready to start commenting. So I'm going to click on step 2, which is the comments feature. To comment on a specific slide, you want to click on this little plus sign at the very bottom here. And when I click on that, I get some different options. So one of the options is an audio comment, so just a voice comment. You can also do a webcam comment where it's going to record using the webcam. You can do a comment using your mobile device where you can phone in, or you can do a text comment. So for this example, I am going to click on the audio comment, and it's going to start doing a countdown. And it is going to record everything that I'm saying. So once I'm done, you can even draw on your particular VoiceThread. So when it's recording, you're going to get those annotation tools that are available to you. And then once you're done, you can just click stop recording. And it is going to record. And it's automatically going to play back. So if you need to go back in for whatever reason and re-record that, you can cancel. Otherwise, you can go ahead and save that. And you're going to see that your voice comment appears on the side here. So if you have multiple voice comments or other people have commented on your voice thread, you'll see those comments appear on the side as well. Once again, to get back to my slides, I can close out of this particular slide, and then I can click on my next slide to comment if I need to. Once you're done, you have to go ahead and share your VoiceThread presentation. So step 3 at the very top here says share. I'm going to click on share. And I'm going to select contacts, and in most cases you're going to want to share with a teacher. So the way that you share with a teacher is if you click on the plus sign and type in the teacher's full email address. If you'd want, you can put the name of the teacher in there and then click save. Once the teacher's been added, you'll see them in the list of contacts, so I can go ahead and I can click on my teacher's name, and then you can specify what you want them to be able to do. So in this case, my teacher only wants to view or comment, so I'm okay there. If this was a collaborative presentation that I wanted to do with another student, I would still have to add that contact and enter in the student's email address. And then if I wanted them to be able to edit, I would select, like let's say I am doing a collaborative presentation with Jennifer. I would click here, and then I would click on edit so that she could also edit and add to that presentation. But in this case, we're just doing the teacher. So I've selected the teacher, and then I'm going to go ahead and click share. And that's how you share your VoiceThread. If you have any questions on how to use VoiceThread, please feel free to stop by the Chrome Depot in the library, and we'll be happy to help.